Okay, some big breaking updates coming in right now, viewers. Right now, learning that West Bengal governor has just reached Shah's residence, and this is coming in, viewers. As we told you, that around noon is when the meeting was supposed to take place between the West Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, and Amit Shah. Now, we're getting to know that the governor has just reached Amit Shah's residence. It's a key meet happening at Shah's residence. I just want to go across to my colleague Harsha joining us live. Harsha, we're going to take our viewers through, what the agenda of this meeting is, because in the past, the West Bengal governor has made multiple trips to the national capital, apprising top leaders about the law and order situation in West Bengal. What's the agenda for today? Go ahead, Harsha.
So Shivangi, right now I'm outside the residence of Home Minister and the West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose and Home Minister at his residence, at the residence. West Bengal Governor is here and the meeting is underway right now. It's been almost 15 minutes that meeting has started, and it's very important to note that West Bengal Governor is here to apprise and give the detail of the turn of events which took place in state of West Bengal after the rape and murder of the Kolkata trainee doctor. And not only this, on Tuesday there was a violence which was witnessed in the state of West Bengal during the Nabanna Abhijan rally, where police officials used disproportionate force and the excessive force on the protesters who were peaceful marching towards the West Bengal Secretariat. And after that, how the force was used, several people, several doctors, the protesters, the citizens were severely injured in that protest. That is what West Bengal governor will be apprising Home Minister about the current situation. Also, Shivangi, if we connect the dot, the LOP of West Bengal, Suvendu Adhikari, also mentioned in West Bengal that he urges governor to speak to the union government regarding imposition of precedent rule in the state of West Bengal. Right now, demand is coming from several BJP leaders that the state in the which West Bengal is right now, it is very important that the precedent rule should be imposed in West Bengal. Soumitra Khan, Sukanta Majumdar, Suvendu Adhikari, all the leaders have been demanding, and after that demand only, today West Bengal governor is here at the residence of HM Home Minister Amit Shah, and right now it's been more than 15 minutes. The meeting started, and this meeting is very important also to understand that West Bengal governor yesterday himself stated that he is keeping a close watch on the entire situation in West Bengal, and the situation in West Bengal right now is far from normal. This was the statement used by West Bengal governor. He in fact went on by saying that the situation in West Bengal is that even the Chief Minister is not implying to the Supreme Court's suggestion, where it clearly stated that no force will be used on peaceful protesters. So there are a lot of issues on which Governor will be apprising Home Minister Amit Shah. Also, this is the second meeting and second arrival of Governor in the national capital. Before this, Governor met President and Vice President in national capital, and after that, this meeting becomes very important after how the events unfolded in West Bengal after the Tuesday violent forces were used on the protesters. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Harsha, for getting us all those details. I'll be coming back to you as the meeting now commences between the West Bengal governor and Home Minister Amit Shah. If you move ahead, viewers, to some of the other big stories we're tracking, let's go to West Bengal, where a big lead is coming in connection to the RJ Kar rape and murder case. And we're coming to know that the former principal Sandeep Ghosh has now again been summoned with the CBI and is being quizzed as we speak. Remember, viewers, that Ghosh has been quizzed for more than 120 hours till now. And those visuals are coming in as the protests erupt in West Bengal. Protesters demanding justice for Abhaya. We see the BJP joining in the protesters. We saw students being lathi-charged. We saw students out in the streets asking for justice for Abhaya. We saw students being lathi-charged, and the NHRC taking cognizance of that and asking for a report from Kolkata police. Amidst all this, once again, Sandeep Ghosh has reached the CBI office once again for further questioning.